Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about cryptocurrency. Philippine Central Bank Governor explains crypto policy. Aidan won it Bennett. The governor of the Central Bank of the Philippines has shared his policy on cryptocurrency regulation. I don't want it Bennett. He said, advising investors not to invest money they cannot afford to lose in crypto. Philippine Central Bank Governor on Crypto Regulation. Philip Medela, the governor of the Banco Central Philippines, the country's central bank, shared his policy on cryptocurrency in an interview with Forecast, published Friday. Medela was asked, "What's your take on cryptocurrency?" He replied, "I don't want it Bennett, but I don't want to call it cryptocurrency." The central bank governor explained that in his opinion, cryptocurrency has really very little as for actual payments, especially when the price is so volatile, emphasizing that currency cannot be very volatile. He suggested scaling its crypto assets. Medela then Solomon, Bitcoin, and environmental impact, starting that the crypto is bad for the environment because the amount of electricity that the miners use is bigger than the electric consumption of some countries. Not that his crypto is a good thing since it is an alternative to government. In countries with so much financial and economic recession, he considered. The other thing that is useful for is evading monitoring by government, the central banker pointed out. Then the question is what social good does the achieve? Emphasizing that in most countries where the government is not perfect but is largely contributing to the common good, you don't necessarily want to weaken the government, Medela opined. So my view is it volunteer may be too high because of all the things I said. The Philippine Central Banker forecasted to break but the crypto market downturn. It's already happened that the bubble has caused rise. Some of the crypto sales have fallen by almost 2/3 in a very short period. Medela detailed reporting. So my advice always is if you go to buy this, don't put in money that you cannot afford to lose. Okay guys, thank you very much. Maybe just this Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.